Welcome to Miner Stacker Hub. Today I'm showing you the exact step-by-step process I use on my current 112+TH/S GoMining farm to maintain a permanent 26.1% maintenance discount and earn up to 34.45% APR in weekly staking rewards that completely cover my fees forever. Here are the official lock duration rewards right now. 1 week lock 0.09% APR, 1 month lock 0.59% APR, 3 months lock 2.08% APR, 6 months lock 4.23% APR, 1 year lock 8.52% APR, 2 years lock 17.12% APR, 3 years lock 25.71% APR, and 4 years lock 34.45% APR maximum. I'm on the 4-year max lock, that's 34.45% APR paid weekly in GMT. Open GoMining app wallet GMT tab. Tap lock for GoMining. Enter your GMT amount. Choose duration, always pick 4 years for the full 34.45% APR and strongest voting power. Confirm, your lock activates instantly. With a 4-year lock, you earn approximately 0.66% per week in GMT rewards, paid every Tuesday. For example, with my farm, 112TH/S burns around 8 to 9 Greenwich mean time per day after discount. With a 4-year lock, you earn 0.66% per week in GMT rewards, paid every Tuesday. Example with my farm, 112TH/S burns 9 GMT/day after discount. My 2,830 GMT at 34.45% APR pays 26 GMT per week. I'm net positive every week, while fees stay covered indefinitely. At 500TH/S, you'll earn around 110 GMT per week, making fees irrelevant. At 1000TH/S, that's around 220 GMT per week, pure profit. New users, use my link and code 7SM6B9R. You get an instant 5% discount plus a free bonus miner. Lock for 4 years to get 34.45% APR and maximum discount. Earn weekly rewards, then relock them, and your fees are covered for life. Your farm snowballs faster and cheaper and forever. That's the exact strategy running on my 112+TH/S farm today. Comment locked 4 years, and I'll reply with this week's highest paying bounty. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Next video drops the top 5 bounties for free GMT this week. See you in the next one. Link plus code 7SM6B9 are in big text. Start and save 5%.